Hello everyone. The topic for today is very interesting. और प्यार हो गया. Wonderful, isn't it? I'm very delighted to bring this topic to you all. I love this topic. Is the emotion of love in it? और प्यार हो गया. It's the emotion of love. Isn't it beautiful? Just like these Hindi movies who, like bring so much of joy when we are watching all that and scream. How about saying that in your own life, in yourself, the emotion of love presenting to you? Okay, for that, I need you to participate in one activity with me, which I know you're going to do because you want to experience this, just like what you see on the movie, in the movies, right? So, quickly sit in a comfortable position. Make sure you're sitting with your back straight. You all know the rule, just like you sit in a meditative pose. Very gently follow my voice. Leave your mobile aside. Just hear me. Very nice. Now sit comfortably. Breathe in, breathe out. Wonderful. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, very slowly, close your eyes. You just need to hear me. Just follow my voice. Beautiful. Now, just be with yourself, only with yourself. In your mind, see a movie. The movie in which you see your younger self when you fell in love. And the movie begins to play. See yourself, see the other individual with whom you are in love with. See all the people, the surrounding around very nicely in that movie in your mind. Hear the beautiful voice of your loved one, yourself, your inner self, and any other sound that you hear in this movie. And now connect with your emotions, the feeling of love. It's beautiful. Allow those emotions to come out right now. A little more focus on your love, the way you're feeling inside your body, how you feel inside your mind. Very nice. Now look eye in your mind, look eye to eye with that person whom you are in love with. Say a big thank you for coming into my life. Say thank you. Very nice. Now click a picture of this memory. Put it in your mind and bring yourself back here to this video and very gently open your eyes. Okay, did you experience the emotion of love when you saw that person whom you fell in love with? How do you feel? Beautiful. I can see that smile come on your face, and so many of you are blushing. That's nice. Whether you're a student or an adult watching this video, I'm sure you can connect with that love that you experienced whenever you were younger. We always have those events in our life. Now, this emotion is very beautiful, it's very powerful, and that emotion is love. Now, you're thinking that I'm asking you to fall in love with that person. Now, you're thinking that why did I ask you to say thank you to that person? Well, that person came in your life just as a medium to show that you need to love yourself. That's why I said say thank you to that person. It's very important, students, that you begin to love yourself. That individual, whoever you saw in your life, in your movie, with due respect, that person just came to give you the emotion of love. Now let's get back and see what happened. When you fell in love with whatever age you were in, okay, it doesn't matter. You started taking care of yourself, you started looking into the mirror, you might started paying attention to मैं किस में अच्छा हूँ, मैं किस में अच्छा नहीं हूँ, and all of these things, right? So who is changing? You. Where is the love? Inside you. And who is working to get yourself better so that that other person starts liking you or loving you? It's you. You are becoming a better person. So what has happened? You are actually beginning to love yourself. And that other individual was just a medium to plant that seed inside you to show the emotion of love. Now, it doesn't mean that you did not know what love is prior to this person entering. You knew that love. But then love has different shades. When that person came, you actually started loving yourself and you started paying attention to yourself. And that's important to me. And that's my topic. So, underneath the layer of Aur Pyar Ho Gaya, my topic is self love. Now, what is self love? Self love is very simple. I love me. This emotion is very powerful. I love me. Now, you've understood this so far that that person came and you are loving yourself. Now, my entire topic for today is self love. I have some beautiful things to share with you. So, watch this video till the end. So, now why should, first of all, let me tell you how to begin self-love. I'll come to the importance of it and the changes that happen in yourself when you start doing this. How to love yourself, first of all, I want you to do this exercise. You will stand up in front of the mirror. You will look eye to eye inside your own reflection. Then you begin to see yourself right from your hair, entire features on your face, your entire torso, and your whole body till the tip of your toes. And then you say, I love me. You say this loudly, I love me. And when you say this, there's going to be a shift in your emotions. And I need those emotions to come to that level, and I'll explain to you why it's important. Now, when you start doing this, there's one more thing you need to do. Again, you need to look eye to eye, and then you need to say, I love me, I love myself. And I say, I forgive myself. You need to forgive yourself for things that you have not done well, when you failed, or when you did things intentionally or unintentionally not well for you. It's very important to forgive yourself. So you're going to handle this in this manner. As this is a video, I'm not getting more detailed into it. Just do it and get back to me on a feedback what happens. Now, when you start doing this, there's going to be a shift in your emotions. When you start experiencing love within you for yourself, you begin to become happy. And there are changes in your own physical self. You see yourself more clearly. There are mental changes that you begin to see. You accept yourself. And psychologically, you respect yourself. On the acceptance part and the respect part is very important. When you do this, the cup inside you, which holds love, gets filled with self-acceptance, with self-respect. पहले आपने अपने आप को प्यार किया, you send love to yourself, you forgive yourself, you accept yourself the way you are, and you have self-respect coming. When you accept yourself the way you are is the first step to begin to start loving yourself. Students, you were born perfect, perfect babies. And when you were born, let me tell you, everyone around you loved you. They welcomed you in their lives with love. Get back and confirm with your parents and all the dear and dear ones around you. Now it's time for you to love yourself. So you accept yourself as a perfect self. And I always keep saying, you are unique. You're unique. And this is the time to bring your uniqueness out by loving yourself. Okay? And so now you're getting a hold on this topic, what I'm saying. You need to become that unique person. And to bring that unique person, the person who crossed your path and wo प्यार का मसाला डाला आपकी life में, and your heart started really beating fast and you started giving love to yourself, is the step to begin life in the next level. Okay? Now, what happens when you start doing all this? You accept yourself, and uh, yeah, I need to mention one more thing. I mentioned here that you need to develop a hobby for yourself also, and give time of 10 minutes for that hobby, whether it's singing, whether it's dancing, whatever it is, or anything else. 10 minutes, then you connect with yourself because you're doing that to love yourself. So when you start doing all of these things and you start getting self-acceptance and self-respect, what are you going to acquire? So my dear students, let me tell you something. You're going to acquire very important skills, very, very important skills, and pay great attention to this. You begin to shift your life very differently and your personality changes. You change the attitude towards living life. You start taking up a healthy outlook towards life. So you start a healthy lifestyle. So that includes your a healthy lifestyle includes a lot of things. It includes sleep, exercise, and you start taking care. Matlab, when you're in pyar, when you fall in love, don't you start exercising, looking good, grooming yourself, taking care of yourself, taking care of your fitness? That's important. Who are you doing that? Actually, you do it for yourself first and then for others. You start feeling satisfied as you accept yourself. And when you accept yourself, you accept the good in you and the not good in you. Something that you're good at and something that is not good in you. And that's when you take the responsibility to work on the areas that where you're not good in. Okay? So it would be like even any task that you know that you need to work on, this comes inside you and you do it. You start to do it. That is the power of love. And that's the last point, what I say. You gain power to live. And that is the source of energy inside you to live. That's what you're born with, the power to live life. Students, you're born to live a life. Okay? And I'm saying this that you're born to live a life with a purpose. Please don't get these thoughts with lower emotions in it. I'm not good enough. मुझसे कोई प्यार नहीं करता, and I don't feel like living, and all of these are low emotions. So just imagine that component of love within you gives the power to live life, gives the power to take responsibilities, to work on yourself, and that's what you acquire, the skill to really live the life, the skill to become happy. And there are more advantages coming. This transforms your personality totally because you pay more attention to your own happiness, and that gives you the strength to set goals for your life. Now, I'm saying life, you can take it in a shorter context of whatever your day to day life is, or the career or personal life it is. And this makes you work on making better choices to seek better opportunities. And the last point when I mention is magic begins to happen in your life. Your heart chakra and your crown chakra becomes activated, and it's very important. I'll come to that. So when I say that, you allow that happiness to come in, you're a happy being, you're happy, you're working on, you're taking your responsibilities, your inner part knows that मैं सब सही कर रहा हूँ. You're working hard, you take the responsibility to change yourself, you set goals, you begin to set goals, and the moment you set goals, you actually start acquiring them because you have the energy of love inside you. वो है ना हिंदी मूवीज में डायलॉग, प्यार में बहुत ताकत है, सच्ची में है ताकत, रियली ताकत है. So that takat, let it come inside you, and magic happens. Now let me explain. I've always told that mind and body is connected. So when you begin with these emotions of love in your life and you accept your life the way you are and begin with self-love, your heart chakra, the center of your heart, becomes activated. And when this heart chakra gets activated, because love is a very pure emotion, and then your higher source, that is your crown chakra, too also gets activated. So when your crown chakra gets activated, your wisdom flows from your higher source, and that wisdom helps you to make healthy choices in life. When you make healthy choices, what happens? Your life gets better and better and better, isn't it? So this is about self-love, beginning with the person who came into your life, put that seed inside you to love, and you begin to do self-love, and you grow as an individual, and that when life slowly starts moving ahead. Keep this video in mind and live your life always in this manner. Okay? Now, students, I know what's going on in your mind. You become the right person the way you want to be. When you find yourself and accept yourself, you actually become the right person. From top to bottom, from your higher source till your toes, you become the right person. And then the right person, the right partner, walks into your life at the right time. And you attract the right partner in your life. So, let that happen. You work on this first, your own self. And that other individual comes in your life soon. Till then, you have to pay attention to your academics and get that person inside you. By setting your goals, become a person to seek opportunities and rise higher. When I say rise higher, it's in your personal self and in your professional self. Personal self, you become a good individual. Professional self, you climb the ladder of success, whatever success it means to you. It means money, okay, fair enough. It means growth, fair enough, whatever it is. So thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you've loved it. Please do like, subscribe, and share. And stay happy. Very important, stay happy, stay safe. See ya. Bye-bye.